I have created this website using ChatGPT and AI. And as you can see, this is a proper functional website in personal training niche and has proper content. All this content, all these images, everything was written by AI. I have not written any code or any article, nothing. Everything was done through AI, man. You can see it has multiple pages. Let me show you other pages. This is about page. And this website literally took me like maybe 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And this is the about page. Looks very professional. Services, these are the services. Also the blog, you can see it has a couple of blog posts. These are the blog posts that was just automatically generated. I didn't create them. And this is the contact page. And you can see here, you just need to basically edit the contact information, the phone, email, address, and everything here was generated with AI. So if you want a website for your business, if you want a website, a blog in any niche, travel blog, food blog, whatever you want, this video is for you. And it's going to take you a few minutes to create it using ChatGPT and AI. So let's get started. So let me walk you through the steps to create the website. So in this case, I'm looking for a website in personal training niche. All right, you can be a plumber, you can be a food enthusiast, you would like to have a food blog, whatever you want. Okay, there are definitely websites out there, okay, that you probably like, right? In this case, I have came across this website. Okay, this is a website that I came across and I kind of liked it. Okay, so let's say you come across a website and you have no knowledge of programming and you would like to have a website without spending thousands of dollars or at least a couple of $100s to create it. And if you want to do that, all you need to do, you copy the URL of the website you like. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to copy the URL and then ask ChatGPT to create it for you. So ChatGPT does not create a website, but it can tell you how your website should look. Okay, so what I do, I go to a Google Doc, okay, and write down how I want my website to be. So this is what I write. I'm using an AI tool to create a website. This is what I'm asking ChatGPT. Give me a description for a website that is similar to this site. Okay, this is the site that I already just shown you. Make sure it has similar features and functionalities. Give me a detailed description of how the website should be and make sure it is not more than 1,000 characters because the other tool that I'm using only can handle up to certain characters. So this is the description. I'm going to copy it and put it in the description below if you want to use it. You can have your own version of it. And all you got to do, take this piece of description and copy it over to ChatGPT, okay? So this is what I did. I went to ChatGPT, I pasted over here, and this is what ChatGPT actually gave me. So the ChatGPT says, the website will feature a professional fitness training platform offering personalized coaching and stuff like that. And then key sections would include about page and contact page, and also describes how it needs to be, testimonials, reviews, and things like that. If you would like to have more pages, you can have your own as well. Doesn't necessarily need to be exactly like this, but this is just a good start, okay? So now I'm going to turn this text into a website. So in order to make your site, we basically need two things. A domain name, which is the name for your website, and a hosting, web hosting. There are so many web hosting providers out there you can choose from. If you already have one, that's great. If you don't have, you can use maybe Bluehost. I'm using Bluehost. This is probably one of the cheapest you can use. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to use Bluehost. That link also gives you a discounted price, which in this case is $199 a month. So it will be really cheap. Plus, you also get a free domain name for the first year. So this is the one. So with $199, you can have 10 websites. Okay. So this is how it looks. So if you go choose a plan, you can choose that and put in your domain name. If you have a domain name, you can skip it. If you're not sure what will be the name of the site, you can choose your domain later. You can add it later on. It's not a big deal. So the domain name will be free for the first year, which is great. Continue on checkout, and then after you check out, you come to your WordPress dashboard. If you want a little bit more professional premium sort of web hosting, I probably recommend using Web Engine. This is a little bit more premium one. Also leave a link in the description below if you want to use this one. If you're a little bit more serious about your websites, I'll probably recommend using this. So after you created your domain and web hosting, and when you log in, you come to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, after you purchase your domain and web hosting, after you log into your Bluehost account, you will come probably to this page. If you go to the hosting, just so that you know, the links in the description below are actually an affiliate link, but you also get a discounted price, which is great. So after you're logged in, you come here, you can add your site. And if you would like to have a new website, install WordPress automatically, you can just click continue. And site title, it can be whatever you want, personal training, or whatever the title of your site is. Click on continue. What domain name would you like to connect to this? I don't have a domain name for now. You can use a temporary domain name. I use that for now. And then click on, you can either continue or skip for now. I go skip for now. And now it starts installing the WordPress for your site. Okay, now we have a website. As you can see, the WordPress is installed. And let's go ahead and see how our website actually looks. So we can go to edit site. Now it starts launching your WordPress site. Okay, now we are here. This is our website. Congrats on your new site. Now you can actually edit the site or view it. Let's see how our website actually looks. This is an empty site. So this is the site that Bluehost has created for us. It's pretty empty, nothing about personal training. And you can see it also says the site is not live and only admin can see it. So let's go back here. If you want to go live, you can just click on this go live and make it live. But this is our initial website. Now we want to have a professional site based on our description that we received from ChatGPT. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. So we would like to turn this description of the site into a website. And in order to do this, we basically need a plugin. Okay, so if you go back to the dashboard, here is the plugins. Okay, so hover over plugins and click on add new plugin. The plugin that we need is called starter template. So here in the search bar, search for starter template. Okay, this is the one that we need. Has more than 1 million active installation. Click on install now. Okay, now the plugin is installed. We need to activate it. Click on activate. Okay, now after you activate the plugin, you have two options: using classic starter templates or AI website builder. In this case, we are going to use the AI website builder. So click on build with AI. And let's get started for free. So basically the free version gives you two websites with one email. So you can have basically two websites using one email. So click on let's get started. So you don't need to pay anything. If you want to go premium, you can pay. But the free version will do the job. Okay. Now click on sign up with Google in one click. So we need to create an account for ZipWP. After you sign up using your Gmail account, you will come to this page, ZipWP. And as you can see, they have a free plan where you can have 2 AI site generation. So this is the one that we're going to use. Click on get started. Now click on continue. All right, now we just need to create the name for the site. If you like this video so far, I really appreciate if you tap the like button so more people can actually see this video and learn how to have a website using ChatGPT and AI. Okay, now you can put the name of your site. I'm gonna call it Managing Personal Training, whatever you want to call your website. This site is for personal assistant, personal trainer. Look, it doesn't matter if you're a plumber, you need to put your niche or your industry. It's a blog, just putting your blog. And in this case, it will be a personal trainer. I'm going to select that. English, the language, whatever language you're using. Set English, click on next. Now we need to provide the description of our site. So let's go back to ChatGPT. This is description that we actually got from ChatGPT. You can copy it over to a Word document, change it the way you want. If you want to get rid of the couple of menu items or you want to add more, you can do that. And then come back here, okay, and paste it over. Okay, so this is the description of our site. Now click on next. Your email address, you can put in your email address. So this email address, phone number, and address will be added to the contact page. Okay, so just put in your email address, your phone number, and your address. You can also add your social media. If you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have added there, it will be automatically added to your contact page. Now click on next. So since I'm in personal training, it asks me for some sort of a images. If you have an image, you can add your own image. You can upload your own images. If you don't, you can use a couple of these images. You can use this. You can use this. There's so many. Yep. Probably use that as well. Okay. So these are the images I'm using. Now click next. Okay. So based on the images that we provided, it's giving us the templates. So these are our functioning websites. See which one you like. So if you hover over it, it shows you how it actually looks. Looks pretty good. So see which one you like. I think this looks good as well. The premium one, you need to pay for it, but this one looks good and it's free as well. You can go with the free one. There's so many to choose from. I am going to select this one. So I'm going to select this one. So select the one that you like. And then you can change the fonts and colors here if you like. I'm going to use the same font and color. Continue. And you can also, so the blog is added by default. The contact form is added by default. You can add a video player if you want. You can also have a free live chat if you want. If you are an e-commerce website, you can add e-commerce as well. But I'm going to select the simple one, the default one, and then click on Start Building. And now you can see it starts generating our website based on the description we provided to this AI tool. All right, so the website is ready now. Let's see how our website actually looks. Click on see your website. Okay, so as you can see, this is a proper functioning website. Like, I have used other AI tools, but yeah, they generate a website, but it doesn't really look good. The text doesn't make sense, but this is a proper website. You can sell this, you can use it for yourself. It's absolutely beautiful, man. And all the pages you see, all the menu items here, they're all functioning. They're all looking all right. Let me show you the about. This is the about. And use the images that we actually selected. And here's the number of the blog. You can see the blog. Okay. This is the blog post. Crazy. This is crazy. Contact. So you can see, other than put in the phone, email address, otherwise it will be all here, plus the social media if you have selected. And if you like to change anything, okay, just click on edit page. On any page that you would like to update the image or the text, or you would like to modify it the way you like, just select it and click on edit, and yeah, just put in whatever you like for the text. If you like to change the images, select it and simply replace it. Okay, so if you want to get rid of anything, like if you don't like, for example, if you don't like this frequently asked question, you can simply select it and delete it, and it will be removed. If you like to add stuff to it, you can simply click on the plus button here, and you can add whatever you want, a text, checkbox. If you go browse all, you can see all the options that you can choose from here. Super easy. It's just like, all you need to do is basically like edit it. It's like Word, so super simple. Also, if you don't like the menu, if you would like to change the menu, you can go back to your dashboard, or you can also change it from here, from customize, or you can go to your dashboard, and then from this section, from appearance, menu, if you would like to add your own menu items, if you would like to get rid of them, like if you don't like the block, simply come here and remove it, and it will be removed. Save the menu, and that's it. So this is how you can basically have a proper website up and running using ChatGPT and AI. This is not a complete tutorial, but it will definitely get you started and have your website up and running. Just follow the steps in this video, and you can have your website up and running, and then you can edit it. Editing it is super easy. You can add more content, add more pages, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate if you tap the like button, and if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe and tap that little bell so you'll be notified when the next video is released. See you in the next one.